Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding, and in this video I'll show you how to use Learn Japanese for free with KawaiiNihongo that you can get from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest video. So as you can see, I have my Google Play Store, and in here search in Learn Japanese for free. This one. So before we open this up, let's take a look at the pictures in here. So learn Japanese, unique mini games, learn faster and effective, more than 450 illustrations, and as you can see, there's a game in here, foxes versus gangsters, and word translation game, and so on. Alright, let's go ahead and install it. And while waiting for it to complete, again, learn Japanese for free in English with the KawaiiNihongo helps you to learn Japanese faster and read, write Hiragana, Katakana, and Kanji with flashcards, with cute flashcards, learning games, and mnemonics learning techniques. KawaiiNihongo is perfect for beginners who want to learn to read and write Japanese. So you'll be amazed at how quickly you can learn Japanese, Hiragana, Katakana, and Kanji using this app. So features available, this is completely free. All lessons are free to use without the need to unlock or paying for them. So that's what I like about this app. You don't have to unlock it to purchase the pro version. So it's already been free, all the lessons. And learn to read Japanese by covering all of the Hiragana and Katakana. Expand your Japanese grammar with GLPT N5 grammar. Learn Japanese vocabulary with GLPT N5 Kanji. Explore over 450 learning cards with unique illustrations. Bite-sized lessons you can learn regardless if you have a lot of time or just quickly on the bus. Take lessons for listening comprehension and writing and growing Hiragana, Katakana, and Kanji. And all lessons are voiced from Japanese native speakers. So I can assure you that you will learn Japanese and how to pronounce it and how to properly deliver it, because you will be able to listen to Japanese native speakers. Alright, it's done. Let's go ahead and play it. So let's play. So as you can see, this is accept. Choose language, English. Cherry blossom swirls around your feet as you walk over the cobblestone path leading through the scenic park near your new school. You can only see a few people walking through here. So early in the morning, as you enjoy the scenery, you hear all of a sudden a bush shaking next to you. Bewildered, you stop, but as your curiosity grabs you, you want to examine the bush more closely. Let's skip this part. So why do you have fox ears? Ignore it, it's just your imagination. So you have to actually answer this. So let's try this one. There. What? So this is a game, actually, a Japanese game. The girl's eyes widen in surprise as she tries to hide her ears to no avail, but then, as if you never saw anything, her ears and tails vanished from one moment to the next. All that remains is a girl with tears in her eyes, and you're pointing your finger full of confusion right at her. So there, let's skip. To use all contents of KawaiiNihongo, we need to register you to our server staff to continue. So this is actually more like a game. Okay, it's a game. It's a Japanese game. Let's continue. Good. Wait a second. I'll just grab your books. You will spend most of your time learning here. When you have never learned Japanese before, you should start with the hiragana, or you can also take a short placement test to start with lessons on your current level. But don't worry, you can always skip lessons with quick test if you think you already know the content you're at. Okay, now you're going to go back to your classroom when you have the time. Okay, let's skip that part. Skip. And starting from the beginning, take the placement test. So if you're not familiar with Japanese language like Hiragana, Katakana, then start from the beginning. But since I already have some knowledge, I will take the placement test. Rico is preparing your lesson. So this is more like a game. How would you write the translation? Rico is cute. Okay, Rico is cute. Next, switch between input types. That tap this icon to switch between Romaji input, Roman letters, or Kana input. Please note that the Kana input is not available for all accent types. Okay, so Rico is cute. So you have the option to type it in hiragana. Okay, you have to tap and hold it, and then look for Rico. This one, Rico. Oops, it's wrong. Rico wa kawaii. Kawaii desu. Okay, that's not the one. Kawaii. Rico wa kawaii desu. Not that one. Why is it? It's hard to type it like that. So katakana hiragana. There, Rico wa kawaii desu. So that's how you type it. It's hard for me to type the words. Actually, it's because of the words. So Yoji is a child, and then if you know how to answer it, then just next, and then you will have to answer. So let's just pretend I don't know it. Aol is full of energy. That's, I don't know. There, you completed your placement test. Nicely done. You did not unlock any lessons, but you can always skip the checkpoints later on. Okay, so it's better to start from the beginning. I'm actually new with this kind of game, so let's go ahead with start with hiragana. This one, start lesson, yes, and then let's hiragana, katakana, and then skip hiragana lessons, and then you can go to katakana. State of being. So let's try this one here. State of being. Lessons locked. You need to finish all previous lessons first before you can start this one. Okay, so you have to complete everything in here, lesson 1, and then you can unlock the katakana part, as well as this one here, state of being. Checkpoint locked. Numbers, then money, time. There, you cannot open it. You have to start with the basics. So this is kind of a game, and this is the first time I actually try a Japanese game. So a game to learn Japanese. So as you can see, they have also calendar. Just tap this one here, and you will see your learning progress. This one here is your individual lessons. You can create your individual lessons here. The settings is where you can enable, disable. So test listening, enable test pronunciation, disable drawing, kana. So let's just leave everything as is, and then you can even reset your progress if you want to start from the beginning again. Delete lessons as well. So this one, learn 10 different cards. So go back, learn kana, learn, touch the doors to enter, learn. So we really have to start from here. So as much as possible, we wanna skip this part, but it won't allow me to access all the other parts. So we have to start from scratch and continue, and then answer all of it, and then you can open the other parts. I'm using my microphone, so I'm not able to hear it when I tap the play button. It's because of my microphone. Like example, this one, if I tap this, I'm not able to hear it since my microphone is attached. Okay, so let's just go back, and okay, there's a lot in here to learn. Arcade, shrine, bookstore, school. So we were in school. You can go to bookstore if you want to. Stop the building, and free coins. If you want to purchase this app, then you will have the opportunity to unlock everything. So that's how you use this application, and I hope that you have enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next time.